Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to activate Bank of Baroda debit card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To activate your Bank of Baroda debit card, first of all, you can go ahead and open a web browser and log into your online banking account for Bank of Baroda. Type in bankofbaroda.in and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for Bank of Baroda. Once you get to this official website, there are different ways you can activate your debit card. You can make a phone call to the customer service representative of Bank of Baroda by clicking on the Contact Us button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Call on the toll-free numbers available in the Contact Center tab and then follow through the on-screen instructions in order to activate your debit card. Make sure to provide all the information related to your debit card numbers, CVV code, etc. You can also activate your debit card by logging into your online banking account. From the main homepage of Bank of Baroda, click on the Login drop-down at the top right-hand corner and select your login type. Click on the net banking options displayed on the top of the screen and then make sure to enter your user ID and your password associated with your internet banking account. Make sure to type in the information correct and then click on login. On the next page, enter your password for your online banking account, and once you are logged in, navigate to the card activation section and follow the prompts to activate your debit card. So those were some of the methods you can use in order to activate your Bank of Baroda debit card online in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.